ਹੈਲੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ, ਵੈਲਕਮ ਇਨ ਡਾਇਨਾਮਿਕ ਸਟੱਡੀਜ਼। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਨਵਰਜ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਨੰਬਰ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਬਾਰੇ ਲਰਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਔਰ ਕਨਵਰਜ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਨੰਬਰ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਨਵਰਜ਼ਨਸ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ। ਕਨਵਰਜ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ? ਜਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਨੂੰ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਨਟੂ ਦ ਫਾਰਮ ਆਫ ਅਨਦਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਆਫ number system, that is called the conversion of number systems. Okay, we have four types of number system: binary, octal, decimal or hexadecimal. And today we learn about only binary conversion, and we will convert the binary number into the other forms. Other three forms means octal, okay, decimal or hexadecimal. So today we will convert the binary number into octal, decimal or hexadecimal. And binary number contain only two digits, and these digits are 0 or 1. We convert it into any form like octal, okay, like base 10 means decimal, or like base 16, okay, we can convert it into in this way. So now we will learn about a binary number in simple form also and in decimal form also. Okay, decimal form of a binary number is a 0 1 1 0 1. For example, we can insert decimal here. So rules for this and this, with decimal and without decimal, is different to each other. So we will learn about these two rules. Okay, suppose this is a binary number and we want to convert into a. So in previous video we will learn about the 3-digit number using for octal number. So now that method is insert from here. Okay, so 4 to 1 code used for each group. Okay, and 4 to 1 code using from the right side of the number. So now we insert 4 to 1 for each group from the right side like this. Okay, 4 to 1, and now this is only one digit, and we can insert two zeros its left side and complete this group. Okay, and now apply 4 to 1. Okay, so now make the combinations. So if in this group we learn about the on bits. On bits are at the position of 1 and at the position of 4. So 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So this means 5. Okay, so now in this group, where the on bits at the position of 4 and at the position of 2. So now we add 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So now in this group, where the on bits in the position of 1 only. So the meaning of this group is 1. So now we 1 insert here. So this is a octal number and we insert its base is 8. Okay, so now this is a octal number, and the range, we can check the range of octal number. Okay, octal number the range जो है 0 to 7. Okay, so now we verified all the digits that containing this number in between the digits of 0 to 7. It contains only the digits that are between 0 to 7. So this is the right octal number. Okay, so now we use this method and follow this method for converting a binary number into a octal number. Okay, so now we learn about a decimal conversion. For example, this number contains decimal. Okay, and decimal is insert, we can suppose here. Okay, here is a decimal, and now how we can insert or how we can convert this number into octal form. Now our question is divided into two parts. Okay, two parts. This is the first part, okay, and this is the second part of our question. So now this part is the first part and this is the second part. So now discuss about this part. Okay, this is 0 1 1 1 and decimal is here, and the other part is 101. Okay, so now we will discuss about this first. Okay, apply 4 to 1 code from its right side. So now 4 to 1, and we complete this group using 2 zeros insert from right side and 4 to 1. Okay, so now we divided it into two groups. Okay, so now learn about the on bits. On bits are at the position of 2 and at the position of 4. So 4 plus 2 means 6. Okay, so in this group where is the on bit? On bits at the position of 1 only, so it means 1. So now this is 1 and point is insert here, and the other part we insert the code from right side, but in this part we insert the code from right side, but in this part, okay, we can insert the code from its right side. So now 4 to 1, and we learn about the on bits. On bits are at the position of 4 and at the position of 1. So 4 plus 1 means 5. So now 5 we write here, and this is the octal number. Okay, so now this is all about the binary number, and how we can change a binary number into a octal form. We discussed about two methods, with decimal point and without decimal point. Okay, so now we will learn about the second method, that is the binary conversion into a decimal. Okay, so binary is the 1101 is a binary number, and we want to convert into a decimal number. Okay, so now how we can convert it into a decimal number? We start from here. Okay, first fetch this 1, okay, and write it here, and fetch this 0 and write it here, and fetch this 1 and write it here, and fetch this 1 and write it here. So now this is the binary number. Okay, so we multiply each digit with 2. Okay, so now multiply this with 2, this with 2, this with 2, and this with 2 also. Okay, so now we can insert the symbol of plus here after each digit. Okay, so now we can insert the powers from right side, and the powers are starting from 0. So now 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now the meaning of 0 power is 1, and 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, so now when we multiply any digit with 0, it contains 0. So now it means 4 and it means 8. Okay, so it means 13. Okay, so now this is a decimal number. Okay, decimal number, and verify it. Decimal contains 0 to 9, and the digits that contained in decimal number is also in between 0 to 9. Okay, so it is the conversion of binary to decimal without decimal point. Okay, so now we will discuss about the conversion using decimal point.